Hey, hi guys. In this session, we will see how to capture full screenshot, section of the page, and last one, how to take screenshot of particular element. These three things we are going to see in this session. Prerequisite is need to add jars file for file utils. So we can download the jar file first. Here we can type. If you are using Maven framework, then you need to add the dependency for file utils. So how you can search? You can search like Maven dependency for file utils. And this is the commons IO which you need to add. You can open it, the first link, and scroll down. See, this is the dependency for file utils. You can just click on it. It will automatically copy and you can go in your Maven framework and you can add in the pom.xml file. I already have created one Maven framework. This is a Maven framework. You can go inside this pom.xml file, and inside this dependencies you can add the dependency like this. And once you will save this file, it will automatically download the jar file. See it has started downloading, right? Yes, like this. So if you are using Maven framework, then you can add the dependency for file utils. And if you are using simple Java project, then you can download the dependency. So as I am using simple Java project, the Selenium practice project is simple Java project. So I will have to download jar files and manually I will have to add. So how we can add? We can search here jar file for file utils. So this is the first link. You can click on this first link, scroll down and see. Here we have WinZip file, right? You can click on it. It will download. It has started downloading, completed now. You can go inside the download section and extract this file. Extract here. Taking some time to extract. Now it has extracted. So under this folder, you can see these are the jar files. There are total 5 jars. So we need to add these jars manually. How we can add? We can just right click on this project, go to the build path and then configure build path. After that, you need to select this class path. Once you will click on this class path, right side options will get enabled. Now we can click on this add external jars and go inside the download section, open this folder and select these 5 jars. So click on open button. See, it has added, right? Added those 5 jar files. Now we can click on apply and close. We can create one class. I'll create a class by the name of capture screenshot. Common code we have taken from previous session. Application we are going to use Facebook. I will open here facebook.com. We can copy this URL and replace with this google.com. Now, how to take screenshot? So for taking a screenshot, we have one interface. I will write here capture full screenshot. First, we can capture the full screenshot and then we can capture section of the page, and at the last we can take for particular element, right? So as of now, we are going to take full screenshot. So now we are going to use one interface that is provided by the Selenium for taking a screenshot, that is takes screenshot. So this is interface which is provided by the Selenium, takes screenshot. Now we will put one variable is equal to, now we will have to use driver, right? But it is giving an error because directly driver instance we cannot use, because you can see it is giving an error, right? Why it is giving an error? Because this driver instance is for WebDriver and this is for takes screenshot. Both are the different interface. WebDriver is different interface. Takes screenshot is different interface, right? So both are the different interface. We cannot directly use driver here, right? So if you want to use driver here, then we will have to typecast like this. So why we need to typecast? Because both are belongs to different interface. Let me explain you. I'll show you the hierarchy of WebDriver. I'll open this. See, this is the hierarchy of WebDriver. This is a WebDriver, and the topmost interface of WebDriver is search context. Search context is a topmost interface. So see, WebDriver is different interface. Takes screenshot is different interface. JavaScript executor is different interface, right? So all these are interfaces, right? And this is a class. Remote WebDriver is a class, right? So this remote WebDriver is containing, see, this WebDriver is containing all the methods of the WebDriver. Screenshot is containing all the methods of screenshot. JavaScript executor containing all the methods of JavaScript executor, right? But this is a class. Remote WebDriver is a class, and this remote WebDriver class has all the method of WebDriver, takes a screenshot, JavaScript executor, right? And these are all also the classes: Chromium driver, Firefox driver, Edge driver, Safari driver, Chrome driver, right? These are the classes. So these classes are containing all the methods of WebDriver as well as takes screenshot and JavaScript executor, right? So if directly I can use here, instead of this WebDriver, if I'll use Chrome driver, then we don't need to typecast here. See, now we are not getting any error, right? So this is a class, right? So if you are creating an instance by using Chrome driver class, you are not using any WebDriver interface, then you can directly use driver instance here. But if you are using interface that is WebDriver here, it means you will have to typecast here. Now what else we need to do? We will have to use this variable dot. Now we will use method that is get screenshot as. So with the help of get screenshot as method, we can take the screenshot. So I will use this get screenshot as. Now here, see, we will have to pass the parameter that is output type. Output type dot. See, there are total 3 methods: base 64, bytes, file. We are going to use file. Now, so this file is going to return file type, right? Return type will be file only, right? Here you can see return type will be file. So we are going to store in one reference variable that we can make it source src, and return type will be file here. And this file we will have to import. It belongs to java.io package, right? So with the help of this method, we can capture the screenshot. By using get screenshot as method, we can capture the screenshot, right? Now it will capture the screenshot and it will store somewhere in your system, but we don't know that exact location, right? Storing in particular area, we will have to create one particular location, right? So how we can create? By using file, and we can write here target, or you can write here location. You can give any reference, right? And after that, here we can write new file, and here we can give the path. where you want to copy the screenshot. So I will create one folder, screenshot. So this is a simple folder which I have created here, right? So I will have to give the path. How we can directly give the path? We can put here dot backslash, double backslash, and then we can give the folder name here. The folder name is screenshot. To the, I will give name to that screenshot, that is login page, login page dot png. It will capture in png format, right? So this particular statement will create a location, right? Now how we can copy? So for copy the screenshot, we will have to use file utis dot copy file. See, this is a method which we can use, copy file. And here we need to pass this source and location, particular location, right? Now we can add this exception, IO exception. So let's execute this script and see the output. It has launched the application, right? Now I'll close this application manually and go to this folder, and we can refresh this folder. After refreshing, you can see screenshot has captured. You can double click and you can see this screenshot. It has captured, right? And if you want to see in proper way, you can just right click on this open with, and you can see system editor. See, it is captured like this, right? So as of now, we have taken full screenshot, right? Now we are going to take for particular area. Now we are going to take for this area, only for this area, right? How we can capture for particular section? So if I want to capture only this section, only login section, right? Then how we can capture? So we will have to inspect. It is covering all the section, right? You can just write the XPath for that particular section. So here we can see ID is available. You can use the ID, or else you can use this class. So I'm going to use this class. We can write the XPath here. So tag name is form. We can use form at the rate class is equal to, we can give the class value, right? Now we can copy this XPath. Here I'll write capture screenshot of section of page. I'll write here driver dot find element by dot XPath, and I'll put XPath here, and then we can store in particular variable. So I'll store in login section. We can write login section. You can give anything, right? And return type will be web element, because we are using here find elements. Now we can import. What else we need to do? We are going to use the same code from here. I'll copy the same code and paste it over here. So instead of this TC, we can copy this reference variable and we can replace with this TC. And above code we can comment. Right? So this code, this particular code I have commented. Now we are going to use the same code. Only things I have changed, I have written the XPath for that particular section. and I have replaced this login section with this TC, right? Now we can change the screenshot name as well. So I will write here login page, not login page, login section, right? Now again we can execute this program. Now again we can execute this script. See, it has captured the screenshot, right? Now again we can refresh this folder, and after refreshing you can see two screenshots are available. One is for this one full screenshot, and another one is for this particular section, login section. I have given this login section same name, you can see here, right? Now we can open this screenshot. See, it has captured only login section, right? Now we are going to take screenshot for particular element. I'll write here capture screenshot for element. So suppose that I want to capture only logo, so I'll write here logo. So if I want to capture only particular logo, let's suppose that I want to capture only this Facebook, right? So we will have to again inspect and we have to write XPath. So a class is available and this alt attribute is available. So we can use this alt as well. We can write the XPath here. Tag name is img @ attribute we have alt is equal to, we can give the attribute value that is Facebook. See, this is the correct XPath, we can use it. And I'll write here driver dot find element by dot XPath. I'll put the XPath here and will store in one reference variable. The reference variable I'll give logo and return type will be web element, right? Now again I will copy the same code from here. I'll comment this code here. Now I'll use the same code here, and instead of this login section I'll copy this logo and replace with this login section. And now we can change the screenshot name, that is logo, else everything will be the same. And if you want to close the browser, then you can use driver dot close, it will automatically close. Again we can execute. See, now it has taken the screenshot and closed the window browser. So again we can refresh this screenshot folder. See, third screenshot also captured with the name of logo. We can open this screenshot and we can see. See, now it has captured only Facebook, right? So this is how you can take the screenshot of particular web element, particular section, and if you want to capture full screenshot, then you can use like this, right? So it's quite simple only. You just need to add jar files for this file utils. File utils we use to copy the screenshot, right? So this is pretty simple. You can use it. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment. Thanks for watching this video.